if your Insignia Fire TV Remote isn't pairing, won't connect or sync to your Insignia Smart TV, and Bluetooth isn't working, so you have to use the infrared, then keep watching cause I'll show you the best way to reset, unpair, and pair back your Fire TV Remote in a few simple steps. Before we start, to find out whether your remote is unpaired from your TV, you can use a simple trick. Grab your smartphone and open the camera app, point the remote towards the camera, and click any buttons except the power button. And if you see the infrared light up no matter which button you press, then it means your remote has unpaired itself from the TV. And if you don't see anything light up, then it means your remote has glitched and it needs to be reset and repaired to your TV. So to reset or unpair it, hold down the left, return, and menu button together for about 15 seconds. Then you can release it. Now you'll be able to see the infrared light, which means your remote is now unpaired. To pair it back, you need to point your remote towards your TV and make sure nothing is blocking your TV's sensor. Then head towards settings. Then go down to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Select voice remotes with Alexa, and here you'll be able to see the remote is currently offline or unsynced. To pair it back, we'll need to go to add new remote, and the Fire TV remote you see here is this remote. And to pair it, you simply need to press the select button while pointing the remote at your TV. And now our remote is paired back to our Insignia Fire TV. And now if you go back to voice remote with Alexa, you can see it's now paired. And that's how you pair an Insignia Fire TV remote and connect it to your TV. Let us know how it went, and I'll see you soon.